Hi, welcome to Guarantee RV. My name's Diana Eslin, Junction City. I'm really excited on a new arrival that we just have today. It's a Coachmen Chaparral. It's a 2.6 RKS, brand new in the inventory. Come on in, let's check it out. It's starting off right away. We have the solid steps. Makes it really nice for getting in. This is also a proud recipient of the RVDA's and DSI Award, which is Dealer Satisfaction 2019. We're really excited about that. Check out this new floor plan. This couch makes into a bed. Brand new style. Also have your recliners and your 4-seat freestanding dinette set. This is laid out really nice. You could feel like you're just right at home. Elegant, solid wood, glass fronted shelving here, and we have stainless steel sink, lots and lots of counter space. So this has a solid stainless steel double sink. Makes it nice, feels like you're at home. Lots more cabinetry for all your storage for when you're camping. And this is a High Point, a 3-burner stove with a really nice little oven so you can bake a pie or a cake. This has a 4-door stainless steel Norcold refrigerator and freezer. Nice thing about these is that it has lots of room on each side so you can have some things for frozen for your trip. So we have a nice little space heater. These actually do work. They actually heat up the whole place here really nicely. Furrion LED HDMI ready capable flat screen TV right across from your recliners that have heated and massage capabilities. More storage up here, LED lighting throughout, comfort thermostat. We come on up here, we have our restroom with the nice glass sliders. Actually a very big shower there, as you could see. A residential style faucet and sink and a porcelain tank, and lots of storage and a coat rack back there too. So here we have in the master, we have full walk around on each side with the bedroom, and this is the slides, very nice for the washer and dryer hookup, all ready to go. Ready for install. We could get that handled for you if you wanted to have that done. We can have it installed for you. There's another coat closet. So this has a lot of storage all in all. Brand new floor plan. Look at the size of this dressers. Nice and deep, solid. Really nice. Place here for put your TV and cable hookup. And another coat closet. Very deep. Can fit lid in there also. So come on out here and I'll show you a couple of the features outdoors here. Here we have the crawl through cargo storage, good size. And here we have our propane tanks. One on each side, 10 gallons. I like the way they distribute the weight. One on each side. It's very thoughtful of the engineers. A couple more marine grade speakers and a place for you to hook up your TV outdoors if you choose to do so. We have a Solera power awning, LED lighting. Also has your Turn Tech engineering. Turn radius gives you more turning radius so that you don't have this sticking out here. So this is also ready for your generator ready. The slide, another 10-gallon propane, and the other side of our cargo area with all your hookups, your black water, your fill, city water, black water, and outside shower. It's all ready to go. Another big slide. So here we have the Coachmen Chaparral. We're real excited about this line. If you'd like to see this or any other Coachmen or any other fifth wheels that we might have in stock, come on by, ask for Diana. I'll be glad to show you around. Thank you.